Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the London City stream, guys. So that's my selling plus zone, and price goes from this plus. This level will be playing side by. This buying level price was going from here. The first 1 minute close in the level, and that is the plus selling area. Right. It's a 50-minute plus selling area. But that time, this level actually selling. This buying level price up from these areas. Let's see first the fit for the confirmation. The that is a discount or not, then I'll go for this terminal. Definitely this one is the discount area. We are going with this one. That's not good one. Buying in gold. Because first controls in this area. So we are going for this series. Definitely that I'm thinking for this level. So we are going for the buying SP zone there. Okay. Let's see what reach on this area. That's a good candle was built here. 25 to clicks we are going on this area and my target for this level. Okay. I'm entry first. I'm entry on this area first. Okay, guys. The first trade of this day coming through. I'm entry on this areas. My risk is the 25 pips on this area because that's a good candle. This candle low is mine. I'm entry on this trade, guys. Okay. That's the light trade for the gold, and that's my challenge for the challenge trade. The $100 challenge trade. I'm entry on these areas. Okay. Everyone? Can go with the five steps system better. In serious, that's an entry for then it's the 5 minutes food and just to generally minutes, so I definitely influence these areas. And price will go from the 130 pips to focus. Who will watch this stream, guys? Please like and subscribe. And you told about which pairing trade. You trade gold, bro. And what is your bias for that day? That's a 15-minute difference by the selling area. Yes. And at that church, so I enter on this area with the small rakes. You can see this. That's the ghost container sprint. So I will enter on this zone. Okay, guys. Which pair you trade, guys? Who was this stream? Please like and subscribe this channel. I'm going with the 5 minutes list. The price is now at the break-even price. You can see this. But that is the good candle on this area, and that is about area previous. That the candle is a this candle is a very good for that. And price was moved from here. It's a very well and it's engulfing candle. Little bit traffic so not issues. How many price was by from this level? That was 30 bips. So it is the risk filter, okay? That was 30 bips zone. That was give you the 30 bips from this zone. That was 30 bips straight away. Let's give you 30 bips so it is risk free now. So it's risk free some on this area. You'll see this that is 30 bips. Here 30 bips and the price will come from it. Come on price, get from here. Come on baby. Let's go from here. Please. Hold. Don't come on, yeah. 15-minute candle open. I want this candle of split into this shell. This 15-minute candle split I want that time. Come on. I think this one continue. And that's the still I think that's the stop one. I think that's the stop one from now. You can see this. That's the stop one. Originally also like 35 bits. Because that's the stop one. Because the bias was inverted here. The price will go down from here. After it continues in the English end. That's the only stop one. Because the more entries here. I'm entry on this level also. And that is my 35 bits risk. Okay. This 5 minute candle flip is the I want. And that's why with the 35 pips risk on this trade. So I will accept this, 35 pips. I've accepted this. That's not money for risk free. I delete this weekend. It was fail for this business. That is one actually. 13. It has struck me. I can see this. That's the default condition. I will accept this. I can see this. The formal level has got to react. You can see this now. This 5 minute candle is the most important for that time. Other I don't care. I will buy in only this area. Okay. So guys, that type of plan I have a notepad on this area because that's the 35 minutes. So just the price has come on this area first, other price will down from here. That's my opportunity for it. Do that. And you can see the market was from morning to the market was falling from this side. You can see this. That's the market was continuously falling from this level. So that's why my 15 minute A plus. The price was tapped and price was fall from here. That's my expectation, and because of that's the liquidity for the market and price was go from the good A plus level, 1 hour A plus level. So that's why the market was trappy right now, and that's why I will go for this good level. But market was trapped. I'm thinking the price will go down, so price will go from here. Okay, so that's my mistake, so I accepted. I accepted this. I have no issues. Okay, you can see this how the market will be going from here. That's the liquidity sweep. That's the market not liquidity and how the market will go. So that's why I'm trapped here. That's a good candle. Yeah. But I'm not trade on this level or more. The trappy market. The market only tracking, nothing else. You understand how the market was tracking the candles, OG candles, and that's why it is OG. Because that trade is the 5 minute confirmation truth trade. Because of that trade and the 1 minute truth. So I'll going with this trade. You can see this how the market will go down. At 50 waves risk. Gold is like that guys, nothing to do anything. How the candle, super plus candle close. You risk this candle, you risk candle, the 70 pips risks, you can see this. How you get this trade? That's not for the job. This is not for everyone. And your direct user, that is the our confirmation level. But you can see this one thing. That's the 1 minute buying area. Okay, A plus buying area. But how the market will react here? How the market will react from here? Let's see this. This level of tap and go. Just and that's the candle and price was second candle was instantly goes out the 40 pips, 35 pips. So that's the level. So that's my trap here and that's my 35 pips. This. I will out from this market and that's my price was giving me 30 pips. So that's a good trade, but I will not manage this trade and positioning this trade like correctly. So that's why I am my hit my SL. Okay. So you can see this guys how the volatility on this time, that's the candles. On this time, that's the candles.
এখন আমি দেখে দেখে হয়তো লিখতে পারবো, দিতে পারবো, কিন্তু মুখস্থ করতে এখন পারবো না।
You can see this how the market volatility. That's the candle up, candle down, candle up, candle down. How the market will react it. So that's the traffic market. That's the 70 on the market up and down. How you should be going on this level. Market will trap this guy because the market trend is down. So I am waiting for the selling entries for this zone. But market was not calm. So let's see this. I am waiting for the 230. So market will come. So I'll find my trade. So I'll go for that. Either I don't trade on this level because that's my 35 is SL I will get. So I don't trade on these areas. And that's the liquidity for the buyers. That's a buyer sell liquidity. That time. That's the buyer's liquidity. How the piano is creating the piano that time. How the market was taking ups and downs, ups and downs. How the fucking hell. This type of market you trade, market will fuck up. It's my 35 is good, but it will reverse from that. The market will crash from this zone. So how I do this level? That's the choppy market, guys. Ups and downs, ups and downs. How you trade is ups and downs, ups and downs. That type of market you trade, the market will fucking, then the market will go. It's creating piano right now. The market will ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. That's the consolidation zone. This box is not tradable. So price was calm on this area and price was sell from here because that's a buyer's liquidity. So price will sell from here. Either I am thinking for the waiting for my buying zone. If that the down because that's a not tradable zone. The higher time frames. Market is not very volatile. Market is not accumulation zones. You will see this. The consultation. So price was calm on this area. So that's our buying area. Either this zone was breakout, the price was come on this area. This the selling A plus zone. That's the selling A plus zone. So that's the two plan. First trade, that's the two trade plan. Okay, that's the second, and that's the first. So that two type of trade here. So now market is now range on this zone. So I'm not trade this, just watch the market, what's happened. That's the price was tap this any kind of zone at the 230. So I will take the one trade on this zone. Okay, understand? Understand, guys? Market was not tapped any kind of zone at this time. So we'll take the trade. This zone was no trading zone. Okay, and that's the again I told you, that's the selling A plus area, and that's the market now. You can see this how the market will be here, and that's the second zone. I'm told you second A plus buying zone. But today you can mark on your six things. Today bias is now bearish for gold. Why? The reason is that reason reason you can see it is the market continuously falling from the morning. Okay. So market trend is down. Trend is down, and so market trend formation like this. The selling is coming first. So we will find, and that's now the supply zone. Market down from the supply area. So fourth reason why I'm selling on this market is that the selling will come very faster than buying. Okay, so I am waiting for the good zone. I told you something, guys. Oh, sorry, I am. That's not my sharing my video, so that's why not you see this. There is a mistake. Okay, okay. I'm seeing. So you'll see this. That's I am told you. That's the explanation of this trade. the markets right now. So that's the you can insert here. So that's the plans for this right now. That's not no trading zone, guys. Okay, I'm again told you. uh, This zone, sorry. Uh, so this zone, this green box zone, this green zone, no trading zone. You will understand this, but I will tell you. So many things here, and so this because my screenshot has not sell the transactions. So that's why I'm told about this, but you will not understand what I'm telling to you. But that's the fresh things at this now. You can see this how the market was drifted on this show. You can going with the higher time frame, so you can understand the market on trend is now bearish, and that's now support zone. This is the support zone. So I am thinking the buying reversal will come from here. Either I am interested for the selling on this level. Because why? Because that's the reason I told you. That is the reason for the gold. I am going the selling. The selling A plus will mark on these levels. And that's the now liquidity for the markets at this time. That's the buyer's liquidity here. Okay. That's the buyer's liquidity here. That's the buyer's liquidity. Okay. That's the buyer's liquidity. This is the buyer's liquidity. The market trend was sweep this liquidity and goes from here and tap this level and sit from here. This is my expectation for that time. Okay. I don't know who was this stream, but you will knowledgeable from the stream. So you watch this unless you will some can help on my stream. Please like and subscribe to channel and share with your friends. Okay, guys. That's the analysis for the gold. Okay. There's a 15-minute replay right. Okay. So next in the Bitcoin. I'm told about this, right? It will be actually do from here. That's the selling area. That time I'm told you in the weekly analysis video. This trades. Therefore, our buying area is that. That's the for our E plus selling area. The market will sell from here. How the market will sell from here, you can see. That's the liquidity for the market. Liquidity pull the market, and you can see this. That's the market liquidity sweep here also. That's the market liquidity sweep here. Yes, that's a good trade. So guys, you can see this. That's the big plus selling area. A plus selling area. You understand who was this team, guys? Please like and subscribe this. So that's now the A plus buying area. The price was sell from here. That's my expectations. And you can see this. That's I will mark in the weekly analysis video. You go and check this the weekly analysis video. I'm told about the Sunday. The market will come on this area and selling from this area is that more than 5,000 points. Okay. So that's my analysis. You can check my weekly analysis video. So you'll understand what I am telling to you, the gold and Bitcoin market. So you will understand how the market will react on this week. Please go and then check this video. I will also added this video link on this description. So you'll check on this. Please check this guys for you understand the the market will react from my level. Okay. I'm not telling any kind of joking with you. So who will stream watching this stream? Please like and subscribe guys. I am only waiting for the 230. So that's I gave my levels. I'll trade either I don't trade on this stream. That's a Bitcoin. If plus selling area, I definitely trade on this level. I have no on this time because price was down from here. But I will invest in gold. That time that's the gold 1 hour selling area. You can see the plus so. Instantly trade guys. Who asked this to live for subscribe please. The market is now in the USD market is now the good level. But how many points you come from this level first series? That's the risk of the 15 pips and that's the 17 pips. So that's a good trade I will find here. That's the good zone. So you will take this trade. Okay. You will take this trade. I will remove this horizontal. That's the 1 hour good level. So that's you risk the 15 pips and you go with the 70 pips targets on this level. Okay. The target level is that. And you can see this, that's the good engulfing candle create and market will fall from here. So that's the liquidity sweep also called. So you go with this trade, you go with this trade. That's a good trade opportunity. The price will come on this area and 15 minutes create a good buying candle. So you definitely go with the this level trade. 15-minute candle is the most important at this time, okay? The price will come on this zone and you will create the 15-minute candle, buying candle. So definitely the good buying zone you will be find here. Okay, that's the USD trade for that. So I'll set the RR also for this. And it is the 15 pips. That's the I think 20 pips risk here. And that's my target for the 70 pips. So you also the 1:3 trade, 70 pips target. So I am going with this trade, the 1 hour time formation. And you can go with the 30 minutes. So you can see this the how the market will be here. So that's a big not risk here. So it will create any kind of bullish candle, the green candle. So you definitely place your order on here and you reach the 25 pips 6, 20 pips 6 on that level. Then you should be go for the 70 pips TP. Either you trail your TP. So let's see this how the market. This market is now very slow run, so that's why I'm not interested. Is USDJPY, USDJPY. It's now ranging the many days. Up, down, up, down. One more knowing the good trades. The market will break out this one, so find the trades. GBP USD. It's now I'm not seeing any kind of trade. Now the down trade also. GBP JPY. I have not find the trade right now. That's the box of this. That's the box of this. I'm not interested on. That's the 4 hour levels right now. But they have no zone. So it's closing about this zone. You have clear range of these areas. It is now the ranging market. It's now range about this zone. So it's breakout. So it's you can see this the GBP. It's now the good falling. That's the 100 pips falling range will be here. And price was tap this sweep this zone liquidity and price was reverse from here also. Okay. For the GBP JPR, will told this USD Canada USD CD USD CAD. What USD? It's police here. What it is that USD CJ have a good trade level. Yes. Let's say it's breaking out, so good opportunity for the trade. Neither that's for the A plus. It is the very slowing trade. So how many pips you will come from this trade? It's breaking out. It's the 100 pips trade. So yeah, more Guys, price was not tapped is any kind of level. Market is now the consolidation in the higher time frame. So market is not the choppy right now. So that's the price was collect on this any kind of two levels. You will understand that. Last will tell you because I am online going to offline. You will understand things. So you can see that the market will tap any kind of level. The tap this level and create a red or bearish candle. So you enter on these areas and your stop loss are this zone and your target for this area. Okay, your target zone either this is was your first plan. Either price will sell from here, it will down here. So you will be going with the good buying candle. Okay, you going with this the good buying candle here. Okay, because that's the A plus support zone. Either market was not respected this zone, so it was bleach on this area, so you will be going for selling entry also here, but you don't tradable here. Either market is not very choppy right now, so I will come on the next session, so I will going for your selling guys. So that time you sell on this market. Otherwise, we are almost in today the this trade of the 35 pips minus in this day. Okay, 35 pips we are lost today. 35 pips lose the London session. Okay, so that the two kind of trading will be here. That's the this one zone. The price will tap and go for selling here with this type of candle will sustain above this zone. So you will be going this candle. Either price will fall from here and tap this buying zone, and you can see the first torch. So that is the good confirmation. So you will enter on this and you will sell on this low, your SL zone, and your TP for this the target level. And because that's the selling area and the profit moving zone for the market. So that's the two plan of this zone because market is this now the range of don't trade. You don't trade above this zone, and that's the buy side liquidity has the market also created the all liquidity, and it's the sellers liquidity has also this sellers the market will chop this liquidity and all from here because inviting the buyers also here they can see this. So that's the selling was accepted by the institutional levels. So thanks for watching guys. That time I am close the stream and I will come in the energy session because that's the 35 if we are lost. So it will be recovered in the energy session. Let's see on this, the what's happening in the energy session. So that the friend was playing on this market, so I trade, either I don't trade. Either kind of any kind of this type of candle was print on this level. This kind of candle, you'll see this. This kind of candle, this red candle was print on this any area of this zone. So definitely sell here because the side selling will be come from here. Okay, either the bullish candle like this type of candle was print here, this type of candle was print here on this zone, below this zone, this type of candle that the reversal will definitely come from area because that's the demand area. Okay, so and that's the support area. And that's the our block area. That's the multiple strategy, multiple things was that in this level. So it's the very important level for the market in gold. So and that's the Bitcoin. You can see this that the Bitcoin was come on this area, definitely go with the selling entries on this zone. Okay, because Bitcoin now is right now. Okay, so thanks for watching. We are I'm closing the stream. See you in the NIC sessions. You some knowledgeable from this stream. So if you like and subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, guys. Thank you so much.